Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Hey, if you got outdoor lighting currently and indoors you're thinking about it, but we saw a lot yesterday doing snow removal, ice melting. A lot of people are complaining to us that they wish they had lighting. You can see what you're doing out in the yard at night. People can walk up to the front door. So that's another reason to compel people very easily to have your property illuminated at night. If you're ever thinking about having outdoor lighting, indoor, you need some fixtures to repair. We're seeing a lot of fixtures that were damaged, dogs out running around with leashes and pulling fixtures, things not uplit properly, okay? Indoor, you need some service. Give us a call here at the office. We'd be happy to help you with your outdoor lighting. First, we need to start with a plan, and then we'll go back from there, how we can install it and get it done. This week is going to be probably a 9 week for a lot of people. And for us, to get out in the yards with a lot of ice on them. But next week, we're scheduling for a lot of repairs. So if you need some repairs in your outdoor lighting system, give us a call here at the office, 410-721-2342. Hit the link below for more information about TLC's outdoor lighting services. Stay safe. We'll talk to you guys.